welcome back to the vlog. It's your girl Alana Reina, and I am running late. I need to head out now. I don't know why I keep starting these vlogs when I'm about to head out. I low-key wasn't sure if I wanted to vlog this weekend, but fuck it, why not? It is Labor Day weekend, the last weekend of summer officially, although technically not for Miami. But regardless, I have a lot of fun things planned this weekend, and I figured I would bring y'all along. So I'm actually heading out to get matcha now with a friend of mine who's never had matcha before, so I'm very excited to pop her matcha cherry. And I really like my outfit, so I'm going to show you guys in the mirror and then we're going to get out of here. Okay, here is the fit. Actually, I want to change my phone case to match better because yes, I am that OCD. But top is H&M. It is very cult Gaia coded, which I love, and also perfect because I think I'm going to stop by the store later. And these pants are from Marshall's, believe it or not. They were actually in like the swimwear cover-up section, and I got them in March or April. I've been wearing them so much. I love them. They're very light, soft, and flowy, so perfect for like a hotter day when you still want to wear pants. And then these shoes are from Target, and I feel like a lot of designers make this style of shoe, so obviously it is a dupe. And then this bag is actually from Andrea Iyama, a Nigerian designer that I love. And funny story, if you watched my swim week vlog from last year, you'll see I actually got this as part of like the goodie bag from the event they had, which was insane. This is like a $500 bag, and I've never worn it, so I think it's about time. I feel like it matches the outfit perfectly, and I just love it. It's such a cute accessory. So let me switch my phone case and get the hell out of here.
You know I got it. I pull up, I come around, make my rounds, it's my town. You know I got it. Ay. When I'm round down, they now. What's up now? This touchdown like, hey, niggas from city be hating them niggas, don't show me no love. Hey, it is what it is, cause I'm brushing my shoulders, walk off with a shrug. Hey, the shit is a dub. Hey, the shit is a dub, T. Hey, why am I all in my feelings when I got these people that love me? Hey, I cannot feel none you niggas, I only feel one that's above me. Hey, come for me quick and I promise my niggas won't make it get ugly. Hey, the shit is a dub. Hey, the shit is a dub, T. Hey, why am I all in my feelings when I got these people that love me? You know I got it. I pull up, I come.
It is so humid outside that my glasses literally are fogged up right now. I can't even see.